model, 2016 plates Citroen Berlingo partner 1.6 HDI fresh 12 months MOT Crewcab no VAT. Body, white, Crewcab. Mileage, 176,885. MOT, the 7th of May 2026. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 DUTED. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Starts and drives brilliantly. Factory fitting Crewcab with a fresh 12-month MOT no VAT to pay. Absolute bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition. Still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 12 months MOT. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Content